Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Dream 11 IPL match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bengaluru guys. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel guys. So guys, like every day, even yesterday also our teams have performed very well in Grand Leagues as well as Small Leagues guys. So guys, we have suggested the captain and vice captain options very wisely. So we have suggested the captain as like even we have suggested captain as Shikhar Dhawan. Along with that, we have suggested KL Rahul and Nicholas Puran. Also, we have suggested for Grand League guys. So guys, those who have built the team based upon the tips which we provided, they might have won a huge amount yesterday guys. So guys, like yesterday, even today also we are going to provide a team in such a way that we will be win big guys. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel guys. So guys, in this video initially we will be discussing about Dream 11 team for Small League as well as for Grand League guys. So guys, before that we will be going through technical analysis for today's game, pitch statistics, player statistics, head-to-head contest, and top pick players for today's game, and best choices of captain and vice captain guys. So guys, after that we will be discussing about FanFi team. So guys, basically FanFi is also a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11, where we will be having variety of contests like iPhone 11 gadget pool, mega contest, head-to-head, and all guys. So guys, we will be going to discuss about FanFi team as well guys. So guys, I will be mentioning FanFi invite link in description. Please download it and use that guys. And also guys, we will be discussing about FanFi team as well guys. So guys, let's go discuss about pitch statistics for today's game guys. So guys, basically this is a match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bengaluru, which is played in Abu Dhabi guys. That is Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi. And the timing is 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time guys. So guys, coming to pitch and weather report, pitch is good for batting but it may be a bit slow and helpful for spinners a bit guys. And also guys, a score of 150 plus is going to be tough for chasing side. So guys, as we have seen all the Dubai pitches, in the first innings they may be helpful for batting, and while coming to second innings they are helpful for the spinners guys. So guys, today also it will be going to same. And also guys, weather is clear, there is no chance of rain, and temperature is expected to stay above 35 degrees centigrade as usual guys. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bengaluru guys. So guys, coming to KKR side, we won't see any changes in the playing 11 guys. And also guys, coming to Royal Challengers Bengaluru side, we may expect one change, like Shivam Dube may replace Gurkirat Singh for today's game guys. So guys, for Kolkata Knight Riders, Rahul Tripathi will open innings with Shubman Gill guys, followed by Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik, Ian Morgan, Andre Russell, Pat Cummins, Shivam Avi, Kuldeep Yadav, Lockie Ferguson, and Varun Chakravarti guys. So guys, even Pat Cummins is also a nice option for captain and vice captain for today's game guys, since he can bat as well and he can bowling as well. So guys, coming to Royal Challengers Bengaluru side. So guys, coming to Royal Challengers Bengaluru side, we have Aaron Finch and Devdutt Padikkal as openers, followed by Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Gurkirat Singh may replace Shivam Dube guys, Washington Sundar, Chris Morris, Shahbaz Ahmed, Isru Udana, Navdeep Saini, and Yuji Chahal. So guys, basically this is the probable playing 11 and lineups for IUN batting order for Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bengaluru guys. So guys, this is pitch statistics about T20 International in Abu Dhabi Stadium. We have total of 44 matches played guys, out of which batting first have won 19 games and batting second have won only 25 games guys. So guys, the average first inning score is 148 and highest total is 225 per 7 and lowest total is 66 per 9 guys. And also guys, highest score chased is 166 runs and lowest score defended is 129 runs guys. So guys, this is pitch statistics in IPL 2020. We have total of 13 matches played guys, out of which batting first have won 6 games and batting second have won 6 games guys. And also guys, there is tie for one game in particular venue guys. So guys, the highest total is 195 per 5 and lowest total is 125 guys. So guys, based on this we may predict this is also going to be a high scoring game. And also guys, the highest score chased is 162 runs by Chennai Super Kings, and also guys, lowest score defended is 162 runs by Delhi Capitals. So guys, this is news about Kolkata Knight Riders, guys. You can see like Kolkata Knight Riders have won only 4 games, and also like they have been showing only average performance this year, guys. They have won 5 games and lost 4 matches out of 9 they played in this season, guys. So guys, currently KKR is in 4th place of the points table. And also guys, KKR have won their last match against SRH. We may have witnessed a super over that day, last Sunday. And also guys, coming to top scorers, Shubman Gill is top scorer for KKR and Shivam Avi is Kolkata's leading wicket taker, guys. And also we can see like Kolkata is going to be playing with same playing 11, guys. So guys, coming, this is news about Royal Challengers Bengaluru. They have played 9 matches so far, guys, with 6 wins and 3 matches they have lost. And also guys, Royal Challengers Bengaluru is placed at 3rd position of IPL points table, guys. So guys, Royal Challengers Bengaluru have won their last match against Rajasthan Royals, guys. So in this match, De Villiers has smashed 6 sixes. And also guys, coming to Bangalore, Virat Kohli is leading run scorer, guys, and Yuji Chahal is leading wicket taker for Royal Challengers Bengaluru, guys. And also guys, as we have discussed, we may expect Shivam Dube to replace Gurkirat Singh, guys. So guys, this is the last 5 match record for Kolkata Knight Riders as well as Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Kolkata Knight Riders have won only 3 games out of last 5 games, guys. And also as Royal Challengers Bengaluru also have won only 3 games out of their last 5 games, guys. So guys, this is the head-to-head between these two teams. We have total of 26 matches played, guys, out of which KKR have won 15 games and Royal Challengers Bengaluru have won only 11 games, guys, and there is no tie between these two teams. So guys, these are the top pick players for today's game. We have Virat Kohli, we have AB de Villiers, we have Yuji Chahal. Along with that, guys, we have Chris Morris, we have Andre Russell, we have Rahul Tripathi, and we have Shubman Gill, guys. So guys, these are the top pick players for today's game. Even though guys, we may consider like Washington Sundar and Pat Cummins as top pick players, and we may include them as captain, vice captain choices for today's game, guys. So guys, coming to Virat Kohli, he is extremely batting well in the game. And also guys, AB de Villiers also batting extremely very well. And so Yuji Chahal, guys, he is taking wickets. And also coming to Chris Morris, he is batting extremely well and taking 2 to 3 wickets in each game. And also as coming to Andre Russell, he haven't shown a very much performances in recent times. Even Rahul Tripathi and Shubman Gill are openers for KKR, so we may consider them in our team, guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about Dream 11 team. So guys, initially we will be discussing a team for small league, then after that we will discuss a team for grand league, guys. So guys, in the wicket keeping section we have 2 options, like we have AB de Villiers and we have Dinesh Karthik, guys. So guys, here from the wicket keeping section I will be going with AB de Villiers as my keeping option. And also guys, from the batting section we have plenty of options. We have Virat Kohli, we have Shubman Gill, and also we may also consider Aaron Finch also, guys. So guys, I will be going with Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Devdutt Padikkal. Along with this, I will be going with Rahul Tripathi, guys. So guys, this is the 3 batting options I will be going in for today's game for small league, guys. So guys, coming to all-rounder section, I will be going with Chris Morris and Washington Sundar, guys. And also guys, coming to bowling section, I will be going with Pat Cummins, Yuji Chahal, Lockie Ferguson. Along with this, guys, I will be going with Isru Udana, guys. So guys, you guys may try Dinesh Karthik in place of Washington Sundar since the credits are same. And also guys, Aaron Finch in place of Devdutt Padikkal for small league since the credits are same, guys. So guys, since we have credit issue, I will be dropping Ian Morgan for today's game, guys. However, you guys may replace Ian Morgan with Chris Morris, guys. So guys, this is the best fitted team for small leagues as per today's game. However guys, you guys may change the team captain and vice captain wisely after the task, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain, I will be going with Virat Kohli as my captain for today's game, guys. And also guys, Shubman Gill is best option as vice captain for today's game. but still I am going with Chris Morris as vice captain, guys. Since Morris is scoring more than 100 points each game, I'll be going with vice captain as Chris Morris, guys. So guys, basically this is the team for Small League which I am going. I have AB de Villiers as wicket keeper, followed by Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Marcus Stoinis, Chris Morris, Washington Sundar, UG Chahal, Isru Udana, Laki Ferguson and Pat Cummins. So guys, let's go and discuss about Dream 11 team for Grand League as well. So guys, for Grand League point of view, we have three batting options. Like we have two wicket keeping options. I'll be going with AB de Villiers, guys, and also as I'll be considering Dinesh Karthik, guys. Since guys Dinesh Karthik is in prime form in the last game, so we may expect him to deliver this game also. So I'll be considering AB de Villiers and Dinesh Karthik from wicket keeping section, guys. So guys, coming to batting section, I'll be going with Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Aaron Finch. Along with this, guys, I'll be going with Devdutt Padikkal and Rahul Tripathi, guys. So guys, these are the five options I am going in from the batting section, guys. So guys, coming to all-rounder section, I'll be going with Chris Morris, guys. So guys, for Grand League, I'll be going with only one all-rounder, guys. However, you guys may replace Rahul Tripathi with Washington Sundar for Grand League, guys. And also guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with UG Chahal, Laki Ferguson and Isru Udana, guys. So guys, this is the team for Grand League, guys. This is the best team. So as I'll be going with AB de Villiers and Dinesh Karthik as wicket keepers, Devdutt Padikkal, Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi as batsmen, followed by Chris Morris as all-rounder, then UG Chahal, Isru Udana and Laki Ferguson as bowlers, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain, I'll be going with AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli as my captain and AB de Villiers as my vice captain. So guys, even Shubman Gill is also a nice option, Devdutt Padikkal, Aaron Finch, all are nice options, guys, but I'll be going with this team for Grand League, guys. So guys, let's go and discuss a team for fan fight as well. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, I'll be going with two options, AB de Villiers as well as Dinesh Karthik, guys. So guys, in the batting section, I'll be going with Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Devdutt Padikkal. Along with this, guys, I'll be going with Rahul Tripathi, guys. So guys, in the all-rounder section, I'll be going with Chris Morris, guys. And also guys, from the bowling section, we have plenty of available options. I'll be going with UG Chahal, Lockie Ferguson. Along with this, guys, I'll be going with Isru Udana, guys. So guys, for this we have left 9 credits, guys. We may try Pat Cummins, or else guys we may replace Pat Cummins with Aaron Finch. Two are nice options, guys. You guys may try Pat Cummins or as well as Aaron Finch. Both are nice options for that last credits. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, I'll be going with Virat Kohli as my captain for this team and Chris Morris as the vice captain, guys. So guys, however, you guys may try like even AB de Villiers is also a nice option for vice captain and Shubman Gill is also a nice option, guys. So guys, I'll be going with Virat Kohli and Shubman Gill. However, you guys may choose your captain vice captain wisely. So guys, this is the best fitted team for Grand League as well as Small League for fan fight, guys. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel, guys. Thank you so much.